So here I have a CMC web server system. I have my laptop remotely connected into the Interstates network, and then here I have my various components of temperature sensors, FIB, bus converter, and a web server. The main component in this system is the CMC web server. This allows us to remote into the CMC system wirelessly and troubleshoot to a client basically from anywhere in the world, as long as I have an internet connection on my laptop and their network has an internet connection. So here is the CMC dashboard once you are actually remoted in, and here is an example of an elevator leg. I have the temperature sensors here giving me live temperature readings like you would see in the field. So this can really add benefit to the customer if they are having issues with their hazard monitoring system or have any questions. We can then remote into this system and either troubleshoot on the phone, determine whether if it's something that we can be done remotely, or if we actually need to send someone to site. Now let's say your facility does not have Interstates integration currently on site. We can still remotely access this CMC system through this wireless router. Again, as long as this wireless router has internet connection and my laptop has internet connection, we will be able to remotely access the CMC system and troubleshoot it. So this gives the client added value if they are not currently Interstates or underneath Interstates integration, and we can still remotely access their plant. Again, this helps with troubleshooting, and again, this is usually critical safety devices at plants, so the upkeep and running of these is important to clients' facilities. By being able to access the CMC web server remotely, we can pull these reports at any time. So if there is a sensor that is causing the plant issues, or if the plant just wants to run monthly maintenance reports, we can go into this system, pull these up ourselves, and reveal any data to the customer that we may think that is alarming or needs any maintenance. So if you have a need for routine hazard monitoring maintenance and do not want to have an instrumentation tech physically come on to site every time, this solution can help with that, and we can maybe resolve issues remotely without physically being on site.